A couple years ago, my father underwent heart surgery. It was a difficult time for my family. Seeing him in the intensive care, it felt like being in the spaceship with all buttons, screens, and blinking lights.
If somebody has a heart attack or a myocardial infarction, in the first month to about the first 3 months or so, their risk of having another really serious cardiac event goes up significantly. We're trying to protect the patient during that window of time. The fundamental mission of Kestra is all about bringing intuitive, intelligent devices to help at-risk patients. We actually call it empathy-powered design.
The Assure cardiac recovery system is intended for patients at high risk of cardiac arrest.
In case of a cardiac event, the device will trigger an electrical shock to get the heart back into a normal sinus rhythm.
We've integrated the cushioned electrodes right into the fabric to not only make it comfortable, but also to reduce noise in the system. The patient app provides feedback to the patient. That app transmits data to the clinic so that the physicians can actually see what's happening with the patients. One patient in particular I can think of, she recently had a cardiac arrest and was transferred to the hospital.
She was sent home with the Assure system, and about 3 days later, in the middle of the night, she had cardiac arrest. She was asleep. She didn't know that the device had done its job. The Assure system sent a signal to a 911 call center. They dispatched EMS to come to her house.
She felt fine. She didn't want to go into the hospital. The next day, the healthcare team was able to see what had happened to the patient. They were able to actually get her into the clinic and follow up.
That's a great example of the digital capability that we've built with the GlobalLogic team, and it did its job flawlessly. And because of that, that woman's alive today.
One of the key challenges we had with the Assure product was just getting to initial launch.
We had to figure out how to build automated testing when the product is still in very introductory phase.
We knew we needed to make a really big leap forward with the digital platform to provide the physician just the information they want when they want it.
The GlobalLogic team pulled in many resources, technical experts from development into unit tests.
The work that they do on our behalf is fully in the context of a Class 3 quality system that will stand up to, FDA and other regulatory body muster.
We applied our skills to support the design, development, and testing of various software components. As a result, the FDA cleared this product, which is now launched in the US.
The key to overcoming all these challenges was the collaboration between Kestra and GlobalLogic teams. Each member of the team had the opportunity to contribute with their experience and ideas.
They are a part of Kestra, and we really value them as team members. That foresight and leadership has just been a game changer for our software development.
I think the GlobalLogic team will help us to stay on the front edge of technology as that technology evolves. It's really about continuing to innovate. We have a vision of being able to hang all kinds of different medical device appliances onto that platform.
GlobalLogic understands how their work impacts the patients. I know that they feel that level of responsibility and accountability, and that is not something you get from just any partner.
As a Hitachi Group company, our mission aligns exceptionally well with powering good, which is central to Hitachi's core values. We have a long history of partnering with clients in the healthcare and medical devices industries to build innovative products and solutions that improve the health and well-being of patients.
Using technology to develop products that can save lives in critical situations, it's a great feeling to work on something like that and make a difference.
It gives patients, their families and friends the peace of mind so that they can live a normal lifestyle.
You never know, it could be your mother, your father, your aunt, your uncle, your neighbor. Anyone that has worked on this development for the Assure system chooses to do it because at the end of the day, it really matters.